Tony! What's up, dog?
Dude, Eric, don't scare me like that. Hey, dude, what is that noise? Do you not hear that?
Well, in case you haven't noticed, I don't care, so let's just go look for our ride.
Alright, it's fine. Just give me 1 second. I have to check this out, alright? I just want to check it out.
Okay. Dude, we're gonna be late. Where's your mom?
But you want to know where that sound is coming from?
No, but I do want to know where your mom is so I can tell her that you...
Now do you hear it?
Along with the sound of fresh load in my pants, yeah.
Exactly. So shut up and let's go find out what's going on.
Wait. Can I ask you something? Something a little sister. Are you nuts? Are you nuts? You nuts? It sounds like clean flesh and you still want to see what's there?
We all get a little mad sometimes.
Your mom's probably worse.
Dude, I see something.
That's it? That was what was making the sound? Are you kidding me?
Oh, God. Well, that was interesting.
Tony, you didn't think I was actually...